All right, grade 10, let's dive into this explainer and get you ready to absolutely ace that poetry exam. Have you ever looked back and realized you completely forgot to thank your parents for everything they do? We are breaking down stanzas 1, 2, and 3 and wrapping up with a final exam cheat sheet. Starting with stanza 1, we meet a hardworking dad waking up freezing early every single Sunday. The term blue-black uses synesthesia. That's a crucial poetic device where you blend two senses, like color and temperature. It perfectly captures a winter morning so relentlessly freezing, it literally turns your skin black and blue. Notice the emotional isolation. Enjambment physically separates the father's hard work from the total lack of thanks he gets. Hear those harsh B sounds? They mimic the explosive, suppressed rage smoldering right beneath the father's quiet exterior. Moving to stanza 2, the cold is suddenly described as something that can physically break and splinter. That is personification. Definitely memorize this device because it heavily builds the poem's incredibly tense atmosphere. Catch those repeating, harsh K sounds? That's consonance. It brilliantly reflects the chaotic, disharmonious vibe of the home. This physical cold actually mirrors an emotional one, setting up a really sharp contrast between father and son. While the sun rises in cozy comfort, it totally contrasts with his dad's active, protective morning suffering. The son fears the house's chronic anger. This constant rage might even allude to the brutal myth of Cronus. Plus, by calling it that house, the son reveals a massive emotional distance from his own childhood home. Hitting stanza 3, the adult speaker admits he was emotionally cold, speaking indifferently and with zero respect. Meanwhile, the dad expressed his love through practical, humble acts of unseen devotion, like polishing his kids' shoes. The desperate repetition of "what did I know" really highlights the adult speaker's profound sadness and deep regret. Which brings us to the poem's ultimate core question. What does love actually look like in reality? It's a crushing realization. His dad's tough, daily duties weren't punishments at all. They were quiet acts of devotion. For the exam, absolutely identify this as an oxymoron. It contrasts warm love with harsh, austere loneliness. Ultimately, the poem reveals true love isn't always warm and fuzzy. Sometimes it's a stern duty and lonely sacrifice. Okay, here is your ultimate exam cheat sheet. Grab a quick screenshot of this table to study tonight. So if love is sometimes an austere and lonely office, who is currently performing it for you?